In this video, I'll show you another cool automations that I did using n8n, Xero, and ClickUp. Basically, you can connect anything or any tools with ClickUp using n8n. Xero is just one of the software and then one of the tools that you can use. Then there's also a QuickBook that you can use. But in this use case, I will show you exactly what this automation is all about. So it's an income workflow. I call this an income workflow. So what it does, you can see it will run based on schedule trigger. Based on schedule, like each hour or maybe after 3 or 4 hours, you can customize this. Based on that, you can see from here, it's getting the data from the Xero API endpoints. And then there are a bunch of endpoints that we get the data, then we aggregate the total, and then we search ClickUp, get many tasks, and we use filter. We filter by if the status is to do or in progress. And then what we do, we check if the task exists or not. And if it doesn't exist, then it won't do nothing. But if it does exist, then it will go and then it will fill out all this custom field that I have here. You can see total sales, total paid, outstanding balance, which is including the overdue and awaiting. Total overdue, total awaiting, total invoices, total paid invoices, number of the overdue invoices, awaiting invoices, and then also create a comment to let them know. Okay, so this is basically the comment. So new upgrade from Xero, total sales, total paid, total overdue, total awaiting, total paid invoices, and all this stuff. So it adds as a comment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this and I'm going to show you, but let's just check the Xero itself. Here you can see some of this data in Xero. So Xero dashboard doesn't show every data. It only shows awaiting payment and overdue. But if you just go to the sales and there are many options here, you can see the invoices and all the other stuff. Or if you click them, then you'll see more, like how many sales, the amount of sales, also the amount of total cash flow, like total paid. You can see all of them. That's why I've customized it a bit more. Then I have all of this field. Similarly in ClickUp, you can see month is February, quarter is Q1. I'm just going to run this and I'm going to show you exactly. I'll execute the workflow. It's running. Okay, so let's just check this out. You can see the aggregated total. You can see total sales, total paid, total invoice number, total paid invoice, outstanding, including overdue plus awaiting. Now, this is the one that's showing on the Xero. Look at the amount and then you can go to the Xero. Then you can see the amount matches exactly that. And also see the overdue amount, which is 76,861.25. Then you can see total overdue exactly the same amount. We've matched everything correctly here. Now let's go to the ClickUp. Then here you can see my total sales, total paid, outstanding balance, which is including overdue plus awaiting, which matches our Xero, and total overdue. And all of which I also created this so that you can get detailed overview of our total income for the month of February. That's how you do cool automation using n8n, Xero, and ClickUp. You can also do it with other software such as Monday or Notion as well, or some other software that has the API. Then you can do it as well. That's how it's made. And if you want something similar, like if you want to automate your entire finance, you want to see all of your data in the same project management software so that you can have everything from the one central place rather than switching between multiple software or multiple tabs, then do contact us, send us a message on our website, and thank you for watching.